Hello friends and family and welcome to my channel. The last 10 days or so has been very harsh conditions here. We have had snowstorms and very low temperatures, and I haven't been able to film that much for my channel. However, I have an ace up my sleeve. Now is the time to dream back to the summer. I have an unfinished video project from August, when I was out in the forest looking for Pinguicula vulgaris. So Pinguicula vulgaris is one of 12 species that are carnivorous and native to Sweden. Pinguiculas is commonly known as butterworth in English, and they are distributed mostly all over the world. The vulgaris is a plant that thrives in alkaline and boggy conditions, which is very unusual. So without further ado, let's dream back to 4 months ago and check a forest adventure. Hope you will enjoy. Now she knows what's coming. So excited and ready for a walk in the forest. Let's get the dog out. Oh, hej! Ramsa, kom! 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 It has started to rain a little bit. Let's hope it doesn't get too wet. But still it's very warm, so no issue. We can handle that as long as we are together in the forest. So let's try this little path and see if it brings us closer to the Pinguiculas. It's a very happy dog. Let's go, Ramsa. This means a nature reserve, so from here the land is totally protected. It's wonderful. I'm not that happy about spruces, as we have so many of them, but when they grow like this, not for a forestry reason, just for letting them take care of themselves, it's quite beautiful. Mixed up with pines, oaks, birch in a mixed forest. Really nice. These big fallen trees, it's very important to stay away from them, especially when it's raining, because all this soil can get wet and the tree, just by the weight of the roots, stands up again, and you're crushed under the roots. But we just let them be in the nature reserves, because they are home for a lot of insects. We are getting a little bit wet, but yeah, it's warm and we are happy, so let's continue. The rocks is getting slippery in the rain, so we have to be careful so we don't slip. Oh wow, there's some challenging climbs here on wet roots and rocks, so yeah, need to be careful. I'm a little out of breath because I've been climbing a lot, and I found this one. Look at that pine, 20 centimeter wide trunk and less than a meter. That should be excellent bonsai material if it was legal to collect, but it's not, and I'm happy to come out and see these beautiful trees in nature. So of course growing in this very thin soil layer, some hot summers kill them off a bit. This one seems to be happy enough to regrow, and in 20 years it's beautiful again. Oh, this place is fantastic. Look at this massive pine. I think it's like 30-40 centimeter wide trunk and just maybe 3 meters high. Yeah, really wonderful. Look at this place. Yeah, I don't mind the rain. The rocks look so much more beautiful than. So I think we are at a dead end, but really, really beautiful. A small little pond up amongst the big rocks. Look at that. That's a nice place to be. Very silent and relaxing to be here. Yeah, I have to go back. So the rain is increasing. I found this wonderful spot under 2 fairly dense oaks to protect me from the rain. So yeah, I'm gonna rest here a few minutes and hope the rain stops. Okay, it was just 10 or 15 minutes break, and now it's a lot less rain, so let's continue the search. So this is the sign that you're in a habitat that Pinguicula likes. Lots of shells from the sea build up here for centuries. I think I have noticed something down here. This must be the best habitat. Yeah, over there. I think that's where we're going to look for pinguiculas. I've searched 3 different places already, but this looks very, very promising. This is where they like to grow. This is some seed capsules from our local orchid. It's a really small one. Maybe I take you here another year when they are in bloom, because there's a lot of them here. So I was hoping to show you fantastic purple flowers, but I only found a few small pinguiculas. This one, it seems like they have this is another one. It seems like they are very, very dry. There should be a lot more here, but I can just find a few. So I do see them everywhere now, but not much sign of flowering this year. Maybe it has been too dry, I don't know. But at least I have seen my first wild Pinguiculas, and that's nice. So this is a really beautiful specimen. That's nice that some of them looks as they should, but no flowering. I haven't found so many of the Pinguiculas, and most of them hasn't flowered this year. But now I found one with a seed capsule on it. So I've been on the video call with a botanist that is involved in this nature reserve, and he have verified that this is the place where they have the biggest and most healthy population of Pinguiculas. And I showed him the situation for today, and he said that maybe this year is too dry for them, but that's not an issue for the future. As long as we get wet years as well, they will bounce back. So yeah, but I got some fresh air, some tranquility in the forest. My dog got a good walk, and now we're heading back to the car. So we're heading back over rocks, roots, and some wet spots after the rain. It's really wonderful here. Can you hear the birds? Oh my, it's pure rock. I don't know if you can see how steep it is, and it's really, really slippery here. Need to take it very, very careful. Oops, that was close. Yeah, I'm down. It's really hot and humid now after the rain, but the rocks has already dried up, so it's much easier to go down now. I was a little bit worried before about the slippery rocks, but seems to be no issue. So I'm back down from the mountain, and just a few hundred meters back to the car. It's been a wonderful day. It's been rainy, sunny, sweaty, humid, yeah. And I didn't fall one single time, so that's good. It was a little disappointment not to see flowering Pinguiculas, but that's things that happens, and I'm sure now that I know where to find them, that I can go here in the future and take some nice photos of flowering plants. So thanks a lot for watching. Take care, stay safe, bye.